Alright, so today we're going to go ahead and take a look at my JamStands guitar holder. Let's see, I can show you. So, JamStands by Ultimate Support. So, I'm not really a great guitarist. Actually, I'm a pretty horrible guitarist, but I like to kind of mess around with it. So, this is my guitar. If it's just sitting in my house, though, I need to have somewhere to store it because I don't want to put it on the wall, or guitars, I guess, are kind of fragile, so you don't want to just kind of throw them around. So this is what I bought. I'm going to go ahead and remove this guitar. Put this over here. So I bought this guitar stand. Pretty nifty, and it's really convenient to have. So I can display my guitar since I only have one. And then it's easily accessible. So let's go ahead and have a look. So this is going to be the part that holds the neck. As you saw earlier, this piece remote, it's easy to remove. It's just like these little plastic locks that kind of go over this portion right here. And then this is where the neck of the guitar is going to go. And then down here is where the bass is going to sit. This is around here is made of like a really soft foam. It's durable though, it's like a thick plastic foam. And then that same cushion is around here, so when you pick up and you set down your guitar, it's not going to scratch it. So that's nice. And then this thing has 3 legs to kind of keep it stable. So I'll just grab it right here and then we'll kind of wiggle it around. So as you can see, the 3 legs keep it really sturdy. If it were shaking around like an earthquake, it's still going to stay standing. Never had any issues with it tipping over or falling down. I don't know if it comes in different colors besides this black, but this is the one that I got. Black, it's fine. I think that for me personally, black's going to work the best because it just kind of displays my guitar a little better. And then when you're going to be doing some moving, this thing folds down pretty good. So this part right here, you just kind of pull right out here and it slides right out. So that's one piece gone. This stays. This little knob here, if you want to adjust the height, right here, you just kind of unscrew this. And then as you can see, this, you can pull it up, pull it down, pull it up. I don't know, depending on the size of your guitar. So me, I just have it about halfway up. And then, well, let me put this phone down and screw it back in, but maybe I can put it in my, there we go. Okay, so there you are. And then you just kind of screw that in right there like that. And then that way it holds in. And then let's go ahead and flip it over. So again, if you're doing some moving, these 3 legs just fold right up like that. I guess not even moving, but if you're going to be going to like a show or something, there you go. It just folds up like that. And then that arm, if you unscrew this, that comes apart. So you just got these 3 semi-tiny pieces to your guitar stand. So that's pretty nice. So let's go ahead and put it back together. So these legs, they're just kind of, they have these hinges on them. So you just fold right out. Fold that one out. And then we'll fold this one out. And then lastly, this one's kind of like a small leg, but that's because the guitar stand pitches backwards. So there you are. There's your legs again. And then here you can see there's that little hole there. And then that's where we're going to put this portion. And all you do is just put it right in the hole and wiggle it around a little bit. That's kind of hard with one hand, but there you go. That's it. And then that's put together. The knob, again, you can adjust the height on it. I think the height is great where I have it. And that's it. So pretty easy to put together, pretty easy to take apart. And then let's go ahead and pop the guitar back in. So here's my guitar again. First thing I'm going to do is take this little plastic locking piece off. Well, I usually just take off one side, but this one keeps coming off. There we go. So there we go. We're ready to go ahead and mount it. So here's the guitar. We're going to go ahead and just put the bass right down there. and then just set it back, the neck right there. Here's your little locking piece, and then just pop it on right there, and it's in. That way this can kind of kick around, it's not going to just come falling forward. There you have it. That's installed version of the guitar. Let's turn it around and you can see what it looks like from behind. Oh, dang it, freaking hit my guitar. So there's that, there's the 3 little legs, there's the knob, and then you can see the neck sits right there, but again you can adjust that higher or lower depending on what your preference is. For me that's fine. If you have a suggestion, be sure to leave in the comments, because again I'm a novice, I'm not a great guitarist by any means. I just like to have this around. It's nice to have, especially when my friends come over who actually really know how to play the guitar. They can just jam out on it, and it's easy for them to get to, easily accessible. And as far as the material goes, it's like, I think it's steel actually. Well, it's some sort of metal. It's lightweight, so maybe not steel, but it's hollow, and it's really strong metal. That's why I'm not sure if it's aluminum, but like it doesn't feel like you can dent this thing unless you had like a hammer. It's pretty well built. And then, like I said, this is just the cushiony part, so it's made out of like a soft plastic. And then right here it has these rubber feet, so these are the thick kind of rubber, so it's not going to scratch your floor, and it's kind of soft, so it grips on to even if you have hardwood floors. So yeah, alright, so that is the JamStands by Ultimate Support. Hopefully you found this review useful. If so, be sure to click thumbs up or subscribe, and then if you have any questions, be sure to click the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully see you on the next video.